putting cameras on Garda dogs.
Yeah.
Interesting way to start the story, because they are going to put body cams on actual guards.
That's it.
But it's the dogs that get the headline.
Yeah, I mean, it's a little bit novel. I think we all kind of prefer dogs to humans sometimes. But
yes.
yeah, so the idea is basically that we'll have spy collars on our Garda dogs, and they'll be able to go into scenes, gather evidence, and people don't expect, you know, a canine to have a little camera on him. So
yeah, but it's like they were saying, like they'd be able to gather information because people might notice. Hello, have you seen the picture?
Yeah.
What it looks like?
Yeah.
The dog with this thing, mad camera on its head.
They never noticed Scooby-Doo. It's totally fine.
Yeah.
I mean, look at all the mysteries he solved. So they're going, but guards are getting body, because we've got an issue with guards having body cams. Yeah. What's going on there? It's for the safety of guards. It's for the safety of the community. Yeah. Is it happening?
Yeah, so it's going to be before the Dáil this week, and that legislation will mean that guards will have to have their camera clearly showing, and it'll be flashing when it's recording. Yeah. So people will know when they're being recorded.
And do they have to say I'm recording?
I don't think so. I believe
just it needs to be flashing. Yeah,
that'll draw enough attention to it. But they say in this article that there's special allowances being made to dogs so that, you know, they won't have to be as obvious. They can even go undercover, take off their Garda vest and send them in. You know, who knows? Maybe this could crack one of the big cases.
This is in the story that the dogs can go undercover. They're allowed to take their tops off.
Yeah.
I love it.
Do you know what I found fascinating? The bill will also allow for Garda planes and helicopters. Yeah. Do Gardas have planes?
It's newly purchased. It's our first plane.
Do we get a plane? What do they need a plane for?
For organised crime, I'd say it will be to look at, we'll say, drug shipments coming in from South America.
So these are going to have these devices on them as well, like to look at people.
All surveillance.
All surveillance.
Yeah. From dogs to planes.
I didn't know the guards had a plane. There you go.
There you go, brand new.
I knew we had a helicopter. All right.
That's what's going on.